Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's wonderful to have you joining us again as we explore common English idioms. In today's video, we're going to look at two very expressive idioms you'll hear often. We'll be learning about down in the dumps and over the moon. Let's start with our first idiom, down in the dumps. This idiom means feeling sad, unhappy, or discouraged. It's a common way to describe a general feeling of unhappiness. For example, you could say, Mark has been down in the dumps since his pet ran away. Now, let's listen to a short dialogue between Clara and Daniel to see how this idiom is used in a natural setting.
Hi, Daniel. You sound a bit quiet on the phone today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hi, Clara. Not really. I guess I'm just a bit down in the dumps.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Well, I didn't get the concert tickets I wanted. I was really looking forward to it.
I see. That's a real shame. I hope you feel better soon, Daniel.
All right, let's move on to our second idiom for today, over the moon. This idiom means feeling extremely happy, thrilled, or delighted about something. It expresses a very strong sense of joy. For instance, she was over the moon when she found out she won the competition. Let's hear Clara and Daniel use this idiom in another conversation.
Hey, Clara, you sound incredibly happy today. What's the good news?
Hi, Daniel. Oh, I am. I'm absolutely over the moon.
Wow, that's fantastic. What happened?
I just got an email saying I've been offered my dream job. I can hardly believe it.
That is amazing news, Clara. Congratulations. You really deserve it after all your hard work.
So, to recap, we learned down in the dumps for when you're feeling sad, and over the moon for when you're feeling extremely happy. We hope these explanations and examples help you use these idioms with confidence. What are some things that make you feel down in the dumps or over the moon? We'd love to hear your own examples, so please share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to English Tidbits for more everyday idioms. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.